Welcome to E2E dashboard. Today I am going to teach you about how to enable SSH login and how to disable password login so that you don't have to every time log in via password. So what are SSH keys? SSH keys can be generated via the command SSH keygen. So you can enter a file where you want to save the key, or you can choose to go with the default location, which is in my users slash dot ssh slash id. I'll say generally it's good practice to keep it there only. Then since I already have it, they're asking for me to override. So I'll just say yes, enter. They're asking for passphrase. It's totally up to you if you want to keep a passphrase or not. So I'll not enter passwords. And then I will not enter again. So now your SSH keys have been generated. To view the public SSH keys, you have to copy this path, Ctrl+Shift+C, and display it using the cat command. So this is your public key, and Ctrl+Shift+C, CC. Yes. I have copied my SSH key, public SSH keys. So now we go into adding the SSH keys in settings, SSH keys, add new key. Suppose let's say it's test. Paste it here, add key. Okay, now it's done. Then you must have noticed I already launched a node, an Ubuntu CPU node. So when I click on this, and we see various options here, various tabs here open. We go to node security. There are no SSH keys linked to it. So you just select test for now and then click on tick mark here, submit, add keys, and that's it. Now when you try to log into this machine, copy SSH. Oh wait, what's wrong with this? Let me create a new. Yeah, SSH root at Shift+V, enter. Yes, enter. See, they did not ask for a password. Thank you.